So this is for class 9th maths for Goa board, newly added trigonometry, exercise 3, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. I will be solving in today's lecture. This is a lecture 10 trigonometry, the last lecture of trigonometry, okay? And this is the last exercise. So let me start. Now exercise 3. The first question is choose the correct alternative answer for following multiple choice questions. First is which of the following statement is true. The first is sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. B is cos theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. And C, option C is sin theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. Option D is tan theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. So in this, which option is correct? Option A is the correct one, right? Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. So you all can tick down this, okay? Next, let us see which of the following is the value of sine 90 degree, okay? From this, which of the following is the value of 90 degree? For this, we can check in the trigonometric table, okay? So let us start. So let us see sine of 90 degree, right? So sine of 90 degree is nothing but 1, right? Sine of 90 degree is 1. Here sine of 90 degree is nothing but 1. This option is the correct option, okay? So next, moving further, that is question number third one. Okay, so let me do it. 2 tan of 45 degree plus cos of 45 degree minus sine of 45 degree is equal to dash. Which option is the correct option? For that we need to solve this, okay? So let me start solving it, okay? Now the question is what? 2 tan of 45 degree plus cos of 45 degree minus sine of 45 degree. I have written this as it is, okay, first. Now to write it as it is. Now tan of 45 degree is how much? Tan of 45 degrees, tan of 45 degrees 1 upon, 1, right? So tan of 45 degrees nothing but 1 over here, okay? Next, then plug the value 1 over here plus cos of 45 degree. Now let us see cos of 45 degree. Now cos of 45 degree is nothing but 1 upon root 2. So plug that value 1 upon root 2. Minus, put minus over here and see what is sine of 45 degree. Now sine of 45 degree is nothing but 1 upon root 2, right? Over here. So plug that value 1 upon root 2. Then in this, two terms are going to get cancelled and what you all are going to get is 2, right? Basically it is 2 ones are 2. So which option is the correct option now? Now this is the correct option. Option C is the correct option, okay? Next we are going to solve for this one. Cos of 28 degree upon sine of 62 degree. Okay, for this we need to use a formula. And this type of problem I have already taught you all in the previous lectures. So let me start solving that. Cos of 28 degree upon sine of 62 degree is equal to, okay, let us find out. We know that sine theta, this is a formula, sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. So in place of theta, what you are placing? 62. So 62 degree is equal to cos of 90 minus 62, okay, put that bracket, okay. Next, what you'll have to do is sin 62 degree is equal to cos of 28 degree. When you minus 90 minus 62 is 28, okay. Don't forget to put that degree thing, okay. Now sine of 28 degree upon sine of 28 degree upon sine of cos of 28 degree upon sine of 62 degree, this I have written it as it is equal to, now in place of cos of 28 degree, what is there? Sine of 62 degree. Plug that value. And this you all have to write it as it is. Now these terms are going to get cancelled, both the terms. And what you all are going to get is 1. Okay. So you all can take down this, okay, and which is the correct option from this? 1 will be the correct option, okay. In this, 1 is the correct option. Option D is the correct option, okay. Next, moving further. Now let us see question number 2. In right angle triangle TSU, this is a TSU is a right angle triangle. TS is equal to 5, S is equal to 90 degree, SU is equal to 12. Then find sin T, cos T, tan T. Similarly, you have to find sin U, cos U and tan U, okay. Same way I have given you the question, right, for you all. Same thing it is. I have solved it over here. See, in right angle triangle, now this is a right angle triangle, right, TSU. This is T, this is S and this is U. Now TS is how much? TS is 5. Okay, 5. So TS is nothing but 5. Okay. So here 5. Now angle S is how much? Angle S is 90 degree. Okay. So angle S is 90 degree and SU is 12. Okay. We need to find out this. So for that we need to, okay, now let us see in triangle TSU, okay, in triangle TSU by Pythagoras theorem we need to find, now TS is given, SU is given. Now to find the ratios, now we need to find this sin T, cos T, tan theta, sin U, cos U and tan U, right? So for that what we need to do is we need to find the hypotenuse is not given, so we need to find that, okay. So now hypotenuse, that is TU the whole square is equal to TS the whole square plus SU the whole square, okay. Now TS is given as 5, okay, square it, plus SU is nothing but 12, right. Now 5 5s are, it will be 25 plus 12 square is nothing but 144, right. Now what you all need to do is, now TU square is equal to how much? When you add 25 plus 144 is nothing but 169. Okay. Now if you take the square root, you all are going to get TU is equal to 13. Okay. So here we got TU is equal to 13, right? Over here TU is equal to 13. Okay. Now we can find this sin T, cos T. Okay. Now sin T is nothing but opposite side of angle T upon hypotenuse. Now opposite side of angle T is what? Opposite side of angle T is SU. So plug SU upon hypotenuse is TU. Okay, hypotenuse is TU. Now SU is equal to, SU is nothing but 12 and TU is nothing but 13. So it is 12 upon 13. So you all have to plug the value 12 upon 13. Okay. And you all can take down this. Now let us see what is cos T. Cos T is, formula is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So cos T formula is adjacent side of angle T upon hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side of angle T over here? Let us see the adjacent side of angle T. So the adjacent side of angle T is nothing but TS upon hypotenuse is there. So TU. So TS upon TU. TS upon TU. Now TS is given as what? TS is nothing but 5. TU is nothing but 13. So 5 upon 13. Okay. Now we need to find the tan T. So tan T formula is opposite side of angle T upon adjacent side of angle T. So let us see opposite side of angle T is, now opposite side of angle T is nothing but SU. Okay. So plug that SU over here upon adjacent side of angle T is what? Opposite side of angle T is TS, which is nothing but 5, right? So TS, so which is equal to SU is nothing but 12 and TS is nothing but 5. So it is 12 upon 5. So 12 upon 5. Next we need to find out, similar way we need to find out sin U. Sin U is opposite side. So what I said is similarly we need to find sin u, cos u and tan u. Sin u formula is opposite side of angle u upon hypotenuse. Now opposite side of angle u is TS. Okay, TS upon hypotenuse TU. So TS upon TU. So opposite side of angle u was TS. Sorry, TS upon TU. TS upon TU it is. So TS or ST upon TU, which is equal to, now ST is how much? ST is 5 and TU is 13. So 5 upon 13. So plug that value 5 upon 13. So now let us find cos u. Now what is cos u? Adjacent side of angle u upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side of angle u is SU upon hypotenuse is TU. SU upon TU. So SU upon TU. Now SU is how much? SU is 12 upon hypotenuse is 13. So 12 upon 13. So plug that value 12 upon 13. Now tan u is what? Opposite side upon adjacent side, okay, of angle u. So opposite side of angle u was what? Opposite side of angle u was ST and adjacent side of angle u was SU, right? So ST upon SU, which is equal to, ST is nothing but 5 and SU is nothing but 12. Okay, you all can do like this way also. Okay, next, moving further, question number 3. Now in right angle triangle, yx z angle x is equal to 90 degree, angle x is 90 degree. Your xz will be 8 centimeter. Your xz is 8 centimeter. Your yz will be 17 centimeter. You need to find out xy, okay? To find these ratios, sin y, cos y, tan y, we need to find all these ratios. So let me start with the, okay, so here right angle is given everything. We need to find cos y, tan y, sin z, cos z and tan z, okay. So for that, in right angle triangle, we are using Pythagoras because we need to find the adjacent side. So formula is zy the whole square is equal to xz the whole square plus xy the whole square. Now zy is given as, zy is nothing but 17 square, xz is nothing but 8 square, and this is not given, write it as it is, xy the whole square. Now 17 square is nothing but 289, which is equal to 8 square is nothing but 64. Square of 8 is 64 plus this, you all have to write it as it is. Okay. Now what you all need to do is, now xy square is equal to 289. You all have to, this 289 minus, you will have to take this to the other side, so it will become minus 64. So xy square is equal to 225. So basically, now you all have to take the square root. When you minus 289 minus 64, you will get 225. Then you all have to take the square root. If you take the square root on both the sides, you all are going to get xy is equal to 15. Okay, so what xy, what you all got has 15. So you all can write down this is 15 now. Okay, now for us it is easy to find out the sin y, cos y, tan y, sin z and this cos z, tan z. Okay, let us find sin y first. So sin y is opposite side of angle y upon hypotenuse. So opposite side of angle y will be what? Xz upon hypotenuse yz. So xz upon yz. Now xz is how much? Xz is 8 upon yz is 17. So 8 upon 17. Next, let us see cos y. Cos y formula is adjacent side of angle y upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side of angle y is xy upon hypotenuse yz. So it is xy upon yz, which is equal to, now xy is nothing but 15 upon 17. Hypotenuse is 17. So 15. So in this we got 15 upon 17, right? Now we need to find tan y. Tan y is opposite side of angle y upon adjacent side of angle y. Now opposite side of angle y is what? Opposite side of angle y is xz upon adjacent side xy. So xz upon xy. Xz upon xy or yx, okay, which is equal to, now xz is how much? 8 upon 15. Adjacent is 15 and opposite is 8. 8 upon 15. So you got 8 upon 15 over here, right? Now similar way we need to find out sin z, cos z and tan z. We need to find out this side, okay? So now let us see. Now sin z is nothing but opposite side of angle z upon hypotenuse. So opposite side of angle z is nothing but x, y upon hypotenuse is yz. So xy upon yz. So you got xy upon yz and xy is nothing but 15 upon yz is nothing but 17. So 15 upon 17. So plug the value 15 upon 17. Next is cos z. Adjacent side of angle z upon hypotenuse is the formula for cos. So which is equal to adjacent side is what? Adjacent side of angle z is xy upon hypotenuse is yz. So 8 upon 17. So zx xz upon yz and it is 8 upon 17. Next let us see tan z. Tan z is opposite side of angle z upon adjacent side of angle z. So opposite side of angle z is nothing but xy upon adjacent will be xz. Xy upon xz. And xy is nothing but 15 upon, it will be adjacent will be 8. So 15 upon 8. So you all got 15 upon 8. Next moving towards the question number 4. Okay, we will be solving this question number 4 first and then I will be doing question number 5, which is the end of the today's class. So in right angle triangle LMN, okay. So this is a right angle triangle LMN. If angle N is equal to theta, angle N, here angle N is theta. Angle M is what? 90 degree, cos theta is given to be 24 upon 25. We need to find sin theta, tan theta. Similarly, we need to find sin square theta and cos square theta. Now as you all can see over here, what is given in triangle LMN, what is given is cos theta is given, okay. Cos theta is 24 upon 25. Now here our angle N was theta over here, right? So this side will be a adjacent side upon this will be a hypotenuse. So 24 is what? This will be a 24 upon hypotenuse is this 25, okay. So cos theta is equal to what? Mn upon Ln, okay, which is equal to nothing but 24 upon 25. Next, what we need to do is by Pythagoras theorem, we need to solve this thing. We need to find the opposite side. Now, to find opposite side, we need to do Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what you are going to do? Ln the whole square. Ln the whole square is equal to Lm the whole square plus Mn the whole square. Lm the whole square plus Mn the whole square. Now, Ln is what? Ln is Ln is 25. So plug 25 over here. 25 square is equal to, now Lm is not given, so write it as it is. Lm the whole square plus Mn is what? Mn is 24 square. So square of 25 is 625, which is equal to Lm the whole square, write it as it is, plus square of 24 is 576. So this Lm the whole square, write it as it is equal to 625, write it as it is. This you all have to take it to the other side, so it will become negative minus 576. So Lm the whole square is equal to 625 minus 576 is nothing but 49. And when you take the square root of this, you will get Lm is equal to 7. Okay. After that, we are going to find the sin theta, right? We need to find sin theta, tan theta first. So let's just find out. So here let us see sine theta. Sine theta formula is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now opposite side is, what is the opposite side? LM, right? So LM upon hypotenuse is nothing but LN. That is, okay, so write down LN. So LM is, what you all got LM to be? Now just now what you all got is 7, right? So LM is nothing but 7. So now what you all need to do is, LM is 7. So 7 upon hypotenuse is 25. So LM is 7, LN is 25. So you can write it down, okay? Next, what we need to find is tan theta. Formula is opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of angle theta. So opposite side of angle theta is what? Opposite side of angle theta is LM upon adjacent will be MN. So LM upon MN. So you can write down LM upon MN, okay? Or NM, which is equal to LM is nothing but 7 and adjacent side is MN, which is 24. So 7 upon 24. So plug that value 7 upon 24 for tan theta. Okay. Next we need to find out sine square theta. Sine square theta is what? Now what is sine theta? LM upon LN. Okay. LM upon LN. Then square is there for sine square. Right. So it plug square over here. Now LM upon LN, what you all got over here is 7 upon 25. So what you all are going to do is 7 upon 25. So square it. So 7 square of 7 is 49. Square of 25 is 625, right? Now we need to find cos square theta. Cos square theta formula is, okay. Cos square theta, in the starting only we have seen like cos square theta is given to be 24 upon 25 over here. Over here it is given, right? So 24 upon 25 is your cos square theta, and for cos theta you can see the adjacent upon hypotenuse, right? Like mn upon ln, mn upon ln the whole square. Okay, the adjacent side mn upon ln. So it is mn upon ln the whole square, and it is 24 upon 25, which was given already, square. Now square of 24 is 576, square of 25 is 625. Okay, so finally from the question we have found out all this, right? We found out sin square theta and cos square theta. Now we need to solve this. This is the fifth one which we need to solve. Okay, this is the last part of today's class. Okay, with this, and okay, let me solve it first. Now here you all can see filling the blanks. Sin 20 degree is equal to cos of dash degree. So we need to find out that. For that we need to use a formula. Okay, first solving is like this. Sine of so sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. You'll have to use this formula. Now sin theta, in place of theta what is given? 20 is given, right? So plug that 20 over here. Okay, is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. In place of theta you all have taken 20. Okay, so sin 20 degree is equal to cos of 90 minus 20 is 70. So cos of 70 degree. Then what you all have to do is you all have to plug 70 degree over here. Over here you all got 70 degree. Next you all need to find tan 30 degree into tan of dash is equal to 1. So we need to find out this. For that what we need to do? We need to use the second formula. That is tan theta multiplied by tan of 90 minus theta is equal to 1. So in place of tan theta what is there? Theta, in place of theta 30 is there. So plug 30. Tan of 30 into tan of 90 minus, in place of theta plug 30 is equal to 1. So tan 30 multiplied by tan of 90 minus 30 is nothing but 60. So it is tan of 60 degree, which is equal to 1. Then what you'll have to do is you'll have to plug the value over here. Tan of 60 degree. Last is cos of 40 degree is equal to sine of dash. We need to find out. So we have to find the last one. So for that we need to use the formula. So cos theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Now in place of theta, what is given? 40 degree is given. So plug that 40 degree in place of theta, which is equal to sine of 90 minus, in place of theta plug 40. Okay. Now because 40 is already given over here in place of theta, so that's why. Now cos of 40 degree is equal to sine of 90 minus 40 is nothing but 50 degree. So what you all got is sine of 40 degree is equal to sine of 50 degree. So then you all have to plug the value over here, that is sine of 50 degree. Okay. So I hope you all have understood today's class, and with this I'll end up with the class. Today's lecture was 10, right? So I'll end up my lecture over here only, and in the description, or you all can see all the lecture 1 in the playlist of trigonometry class 9th. You all can check the playlist. You all are going to get all the lectures from 1 to 10. And thanks for watching.